The Great Bird Poo War.
Okay, are you ready? Strutting his feathers down Cherry Tree Way, little Pooh Keko went walking one day. When all of a sudden something fell, plop, splat on his head. He was covered in slop. Pooh Keko was mad. He looked way up high to see who had done it up there in the sky. "Those flyers," he said, "don't watch where they drop. They forget about us when they poop and they plop. When we need to go, we walkers take care. But those flyers up there, they poop everywhere." So, stomping his feet, protesting no more, little Pooh Keko declared, "This is war." He scooped up a poop and he tossed it up high, hitting a heron, splat, bang, in the eye. The flyers were baffled. They gathered around to ask how a plop came up from the ground. As they were talking, another two more hit falcon and gull, smack bang, in the jaw. "We're being attacked! Get ready!" they roared. "Those walkers down there have started a war." The pigeons and parrots flew higher and higher. Then lifting their tails, they called, "Ready, aim, fire!" The pigeons let loose, the parrots let fly, the wrens and the robins pooped high from the sky. Back down on the ground it started to pour, big pellets of poop in the Great Bird Poo War. "This is quite dreadful," the walkers all said. "How dared those flyers poop down on our heads?" "We must take action. This just isn't right." So the walkers agreed to join in the fight. The penguins all dumped, the wattlebirds plopped, the albatross fired, the little finch dropped. Big poop and small poop, ducky doo-doo, parakeet plop and plover poo-poo. The cockatoos tumbled, the cuckoos fell down, the blackbirds and bluebirds were knocked to the ground. The sparrow was soaked, the warblers were wet, the doves were all drenched, the swan was upset. There was poop everywhere, this way and that. All of the birds were now covered in splat. The shrieking and screeching, the whistles and pops, the cackling and clapping woke Owl, who yelled, "Stop! What's this commotion, this hullabaloo? Stop making such noise and stop throwing poo. Stop fighting," he said. "We're birds of a feather. We all need each other. We must stick together." So the flyers and walkers cried, "Never again." They shook on their feathers and vowed to be friends. The flyers agreed to watch where they plopped, and the walkers agreed to never fling slop. There was peace once again down Cherry Tree Way, when out came the humans to picnic and play. But spying nearby and hiding from view, with a wink and a nod, the birds knew what to do. The walkers got ready. The flyers flew higher as little Pooh Keko called, "Ready, aim, fire!"